I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox models in Blender. First, download and install Blender, making sure you have a recent, stable version. Next, configure Blender's unit settings so that one Blender unit precisely equals one Roblox stud. Finally, install the Roblox Studio add-on for Blender. This will significantly simplify your export process, ensuring a smooth transition for your creations into the Roblox environment. When modeling, begin with basic shapes like cubes or spheres, then refine them. Utilize powerful modifiers such as bevel or subdivision surface to craft intricate geometries efficiently. Always keep your polygon count optimized for Roblox's performance. Aim for under 10,000 triangles for most individual assets to ensure smooth gameplay and loading times within your experiences. To make your models visually appealing, first unwrap their UVs carefully, minimizing any distortion for clean texture application. You can then create or import high-quality textures, often using physically based rendering workflows for realistic materials. Assign these materials within Blender, understanding how their properties will translate and appear once imported into Roblox Studio. Finally, export your finished Blender model as an FBX file, ensuring all necessary data, including meshes and textures, is properly embedded. Then, import this FBX file into Roblox Studio using the Asset Manager and insert it directly into your game. Always verify the model's scale, orientation, and material properties within Roblox Studio for any final, precise adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.